Hi, hello everyone. So in this video I will focus on using Revit Inside to do simulation for daylighting factor instead of illuminance. In the previous video we did illuminance level simulation, now daylighting factor, and actually they follow the same process. So basically the beginning we click on this lighting analysis from Inside, which is within the analysis tab here, and I click run new analysis, click go. And now, instead of selecting illuminance analysis, I have to select daylighting factor. Before I do that, actually, as you can see, because I ran previously one simulation, so something is happening here wrongly. I need to make sure that nothing is hidden, because now I have hidden the roof, which means if you hide something, sun will be able to penetrate. So you have to be careful. Sometimes we need to hide elements in order to see this simulation pattern or contour. So if you do that, you have to bring them back. So I will run the simulation again now. So lighting, daylighting factor, because it's not open, so go. Lighting, I click run new, and I select illuminance, and I select level 1. So as you can see, we don't really need to select the date and time, just the location, which has been selected already. And again, we have threshold here, but this threshold is for daylighting factor, it's not for illuminance. And the good thing, these threshold, they are related to standards always. For example, here in this document, which is non-residential building, which for new construction, so it's like if the building is commercial building, so this one is from GBI. So there is one requirement regarding to lighting, so we will get 1 credit point if you demonstrate that 30% of the net lettable area has daylighting factor in the range of 1 to 3.5% measured at the working plan, which is 800 millimeter. So this means, if let's assume my model is let's say it's commercial building, it's not a residential building, so basically the threshold from 1, it should be to 3.5%. so this means now I'm asking the software to do a simulation, and after that to show me the percentage of area which is falling between these two ranges or the threshold. So it's very important, so because it's not enough to see only colors. This is the daylighting factor, is this number, and this is here is in this number, so you cannot take decision. But when the standard tells you to calculate the percentage and it should fall between these two ranges, it will be easy to check. Here is the floor plan, the working plan height, so we keep it that number in inches. Careful, it's in inches, so you just keep it. And here is the resolution, similar to illuminance. I check the price. As I mentioned, it should be free because the building is small, and since you are students, always it will be free. Even if you see 16 credits, it will be free. And I click start. So model is uploaded. Do not close the project until data is uploaded. Now I have to wait. Actually, while I'm waiting, please be careful to the materials that we have to introduce, the variables or the coefficients related to material reflectance, either for glazing or for opaque elements. So what I'm saying now, you can see it in the video regarding the illuminance level simulation. And I click OK, yes, so because it's running in the cloud, and I wait. So as you can see, it has finished and similar windows is popping. So I will just click accept and update. So similarly, in order to see the results, I have to go to lighting again, and I apply the daylighting factor, the last test one, because I ran 2 already. I did a mistake here. I will apply this one, the last one. I click go. Alright, as you can see now, 40% of the area of this building is passing the threshold or the requirement that we set. So the threshold was from 1.5 to, sorry, from 1 to 1.5%. So this number is very important because, for example, if you are working with a standard like this one, as you can see, saying if they will give you 1 point if you do a simulation and you find that more than 30% of the net lettable area. So now we found 40%. Of course, it's not, maybe it's not commercial building, our one, but at least we did the simulation. So these are the percentages because it's daylighting factor, as you know. If I want to see the contour, I can hide these elements, but remember to bring them back before you do any simulation, otherwise sun will penetrate. So I will hide the ceiling. So basically this is the kind of the contour of the daylighting factor, as you can see here. So for instance, this point, basically the daylighting factor, as you can see, it's about 2% here. But the most important thing is not the contour for me. The most important thing is the percentage, because as you can see, you cannot calculate this area, which is 1% or even 0, manually, the area. So that's why it's important to let Revit do the calculation manually and see if it is between the threshold or not. So now, as you can see, if I go down, I go to this schedule and quantities. If I click room, lighting, floor room, as you can see, the luminance has gone, and now I can see the information regarding the daylighting factor. So 40% of points are between this number, the threshold that I selected myself while I was setting the simulation. I think this is all about daylighting factor. Hope it's clearer compared to before, and I wish you good luck.